friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcy, and this is part 2 of my summer fairy makeup look. It's kind of a whole look, not just a makeup look. So my makeup portion is finished, and now I'm going to move on and do my hair. For the hair, I really wanted to do something that I have done once before, but I don't get to do it very often, and that is curl my hair, but I wanted really tight coils. So I'm going to be using a technique that I picked up like a million years ago, that I used to do pretty often, but I don't anymore. I used to have a really small barrel curling wand. I used to have a curling wand that had a really small barrel on it that made this process a lot easier, but I've since given it up, and I got a different, I got a 1-inch barrel on my curling wand now. So because I like sort of looser curls for an everyday look, and I didn't need my curling wand anymore, so I gave it away. But I still from time to time like to do this, you know, just for fun, as like a look for like a party or event or something. And I have actually naturally wavy hair, but it's really in between. It's very like half straight, half wavy, and it's more curly sort of in the back top area than it is in the front. So it's kind of hard to manage, just a little bit. But I, from time to time, really like to try this curly hair look. I just love curly hair so much. I wish my hair was more curly instead of less curly, but that's alright. I am going to be using my flat iron and a pencil. You heard me right, a pencil. And I'm going to be wrapping the hair around the pencil and then heating it with the flat iron so that it gets a really like tight coil. Something else that I want to add into this look is I'm going to be attaching these butterflies. So they are actually for like gardening. You can put them in like your flower beds or your like flower pots or whatever. And I want to attempt this look because, one, it's something I've never tried before, and I want to see if it's actually possible to do with those butterflies versus like butterflies with clips on them. Though these ones have like a wire that's attached to them, so I'm not entirely positive it's going to work, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to kind of almost like bobby pin it or just kind of like stick it in my hair so that it stays. We shall see if it works. I don't know if my hair is thick enough for it, but I'm hoping I get enough volume from curling it that it will give me what I want. Alrighty, first thing I'm going to do is brush out my hair really quick, just get any knots out of it. It is looking pretty straight today. I washed it a day and a half ago, so it's still pretty clean. It's not particularly dirty, so I don't know if that's gonna affect this or not. Now that it's brushed, I'm gonna start with this side first. I split it down into a side part, and I'm going to just twist this up so it's out of the way. And then I'm going to section off the top and the bottom. So I'm just going to take this top and section it off, and then I'm going to start working on just the bottom half of my hair. I'm going to start at the back and work my way forward, and I'm taking probably it's like a centimeter of hair, almost, not an inch, but just like a good tiny pinch, very small section. And I'm going to take the pencil and I'm going to curl it around the pencil. And I want it to be tight, so you have to kind of keep pushing it down. Then you're going to take the flat iron and you're going to let go of the hair, and the flat iron's going to hold it together with the pencil on there. You're going to hold it on there for like 10 to 15 seconds. The bottom is always the hardest part because you have to get really close to your head, and I'm always a little bit scared I'm going to burn myself. I mean, it's not going to hurt, really hurt, because I burned myself before, but it's not going to be enjoyable. Alright, y'all. So, an important step that I totally missed is definitely put heat protectant spray in your hair before you do this. I, however, do not have heat protectant spray, so I'm taking a risk out here with this. But yeah, definitely put in heat protectant spray. It's really good. It's also a step in this process just for this specific hairstyle to wet the hair a little bit and give it kind of a something like a stickiness to it, like a sturdiness to it, so that the coils will stay a little bit better, which I totally skipped in the process of all of this that I probably shouldn't have. But I have some hair oil here. So this is the Way Hair Care Rose Hair and Body Oil that I have here, just a tiny little bottle. I'm just gonna pump a couple of pumps into my hand here, and just get this mixed into my hair a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I got my bangs and the top half done. Everything looks really, really curly right now. But I'm going to do the other side of my head, and then I'm going to come back and tease everything out and get it really poofy, voluminous, and start putting the butterflies in. I'm going to do the rest of my head off camera and then come back. But yeah, so this is what the first side looks like so far. I haven't finished yet, but it is really curly. So I'm back, you guys. So I did do a majority of what I was supposed to do for this off camera, just because I got a little bit into it and I just couldn't stop myself. Like, I finished the other half of my head and I was like, all right, I need to immediately start teasing this out and fluffing it up so that it looks good. And yeah, so this is what it looks like now. I am so freaking happy with the way it turned out. Like, my bangs are not short enough for to do like over the forehead, like my fringe anymore, but I knew that they were still in like there's like a threshold between them being too long and them being just short enough for me to do it curly and for it to work as bangs like this. And I'm so glad that I did this now, because I know in a couple weeks they'll be way too long to even do this. So yeah, and they're sticking to my eyelashes, but it's okay. But this is the finished curly hair look. It is really voluminous, and I put some powder in it, some dry shampoo powder in it, in the back to really volume it up. And I'm certain that there's probably some spots back here that aren't like really, really curly, but I feel like for actual people with really curly hair, like that's usually how it is. It's usually like kind of like not super curly in the back and then like really curly in the front. So it's a good thing that this kind of works out in my favor like that. But it looks so good, right? I like never ever do this. Like, it's very rare that I get to do this like really, really curly hair look, but I just love it so much. Like, it is such a cute hairstyle. Oh my god. But it only works like very, like there's a window of time in which it works on my hair, and that's when my bangs are like just the right like size for it. I did do it a couple of years ago and my bangs were like too long and they looked really awkward, and I ended up doing like a top knot, and it was cute, but it was like, I don't know, I didn't like it all that much. I think I looked a little bit weird, but I did do curly hair like this, and let me tell you, it just makes me feel so nice. Oh god, I just love it so much. I wish I had curly hair like this all the time. Like, I would literally just be murdering all of you with looks, left, right, all the time. I can't get enough of it. I'm obsessed. So now for the hard part. I'm going to try and put butterflies in this. So I don't know if this is gonna work out, but we are going to try and attach these butterflies. They come in a couple of different colors, and honestly, I'll reveal to you now that I originally picked the colors for my eyeshadows because of the colors of these butterflies, but I didn't want to put that in the makeup video because I wanted it to be a surprise. But like, this is like the green butterfly, and then there's like red and orange in here too, and the green one, and then there's a purple one too. So I think I'm gonna put these 4 in my hair, maybe 2 on each side, and fingers crossed that this works. I'm gonna just kind of stick it in my hair and hope that it like catches. But it's very thin wire, so up close I don't think you can see, or far away I don't think you can see it. Up close, yes, but far away, no. I do not think that 4 is gonna fit in my head. So maybe just the purple and the green. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do just the purple and the green. Alright, y'all, that is the finished look right there. I'm gonna go outside and take pictures like this. There's a lot of adjusting, but I think that it works, and I think it looks really cool. It's totally different. It's not anything I've ever done before, but yeah, we're gonna go take some videos outside in the little park area across from my building. Hopefully people don't stare at me, but you gotta do what you gotta do for the shot. So here we are. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will insert a clip, of course. It's actually gonna be at the beginning, but I'll insert a clip here at the end too of me finally going to go outside and take these pictures and videos for this. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification. You know you want to. After all this, you know you want to. I will see you guys later. Bye.